Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to send a message to yourself on WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So I will be showing you at least two methods today on how to send a message to yourself on WhatsApp. First, you can go to any web browser and then type wa.me/your phone number. Tap this link. It will take you directly to this where you can contact yourself or send a message to yourself. So that is the first method. Now, the second method, in order for you to send a message to yourself is just by going back to your WhatsApp, and then this time you need to create a group. So I'm going to tap on this plus icon right here and I'm going to create a group. Of course, including myself, so I can add multiple contacts right here. I can also give a name to our group chat. So I can name this as this one right here. Basically, everything is up to you. Now, what I'm going to do next is I can just remove the other groups, but I will not remove myself. So I will just let myself be in this group chat alone. And then by here, I can mention my name and then send a message to myself. So basically, that's it. You just have to simply create a group and then remove the other contacts right here and send a message to yourself. So these are just the two methods on how to send a message to yourself on WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.